What are you guys waiting for? Let's go feed the chickens. Good morning. Well, it's kind of, yeah, it's still morning. It's a beautiful day in North Carolina today. It's a little blustery, a little cold. Well, a lot of cold. And we're here feeding the chickens. And they're pretty unhappy. I can hear them squawking in there. Hello, ladies. Hello, chickens. Hello, guys. Eeyore's making don't you get one. Eeyore's making sure they're all coming out. Hello, ladies. How are you guys? How are you guys? You say hi to YouTubies. Say hello. Say hello. Hi. You guys hungry? Okay. Silly birds. Let's get these guys fed. Go on. Go on. Alright, they've got their breakfast and they're happy. I gotta be careful. The fence is on. I didn't turn it off before. And we gotta get them some water, so let's go get them some water. Well, there's somebody in the coop that decided not to come out. Ugly Pants, did you lay that egg? You go out and go eat. What's the matter? You don't want to go outside and go eat? See you later. I think she laid that egg. Silly. You're not supposed to lay eggs there. Yeah, they need water. It's all frozen. Let's see, how many more eggs do we get in here? Oh, there's one. Another one. So we got two, which is not bad. I mean, it's been really cold. We've been getting quite a few eggs lately. See, is there another one in there that's maybe hiding? No. Alright, not another one in there. Is there one in here? Oh, look at that. Such good chickens. Such good chickens. Their water's frozen, so let's get them some new water, and they looks like they've made a mess of it anyway. And that's the sound of happy chickens. Right, you guys? You guys are happy? Yeah. You ladies are all happy? Big fluffies. Alright, well, chickens are fed. And I've got Darcy's food, and Jarvis has got his food. Big trucks are out again. They're spreading something. I don't know what they're spreading. There's black stuff. But I'm going to let them eat real quick. And I have to say, I'm sorry. I'm really, really sorry to my sister-in-law. She gave me these gloves for Christmas, and I had to cannibalize one. I'm sorry. They're really, really warm. They keep the wind out, but I really needed something because my Raynaud's was really kicking in the other day, and it was really bad, and I'm tired of having ice cold fingers. And I have to fix the fence. At least I have to try. There. Alrighty. Hey. Hello. Come on in. Alright. Oh, you guys get a good shot of my... Alright, well, let's come on down to... I'm going to let these guys eat for a little bit. And they're going to keep their blankets on today because it's very windy and very cold all day. I'm not really... I don't like blankets. as I'm going to say over and over again, I hate using blankets, but these guys are getting old. And Darcy and his Cushing's disease and his problems can't keep weight on. So the blankets actually help keep him warmer, so he's not so, his body isn't trying so hard to keep warm and using up all the nutrients that he needs to keep weight on. So that's what we're doing. He's gonna have, they're gonna eat their food. So yeah, my husband the other day came down here and let me see if I can switch hands here. He came down here the other day and realized that the fence was kind of weird looking, and as you can see, it's kind of weird looking over down there. So come on down, let's see what's going on. So looks like it broke. Looks like it broke off of that tree there. I can hear it clicking. So it's grounding out, which means it's not doing anything for up there. And I gotta figure out how to fix it. But good thing is we have this on a plug. One more thing I need to check before I attack this again. So hold on, guys. Okay, so anyway, I had to check on something real quick, and nothing's there, so I can't tell you guys about it yet. So yeah, so today I gotta fix this fence. Not really sure how it happened, but it looks like it just came unclipped. These little clips are awesome. I really like them because they just hold everything. But it looks though that some of my other pieces are broken, and I know there's two up here that are broken. Wait, I broke that one last night by accident when I came down here. And then, of course, these two came undone, that one and this one came undone out of the tree, right out of the tree. So that's my project for today. Should be interesting, but at least I got gloves and it shouldn't be too bad. But let's go see, let's check on the horses, let's see how they're doing. Hello, boy, bud. Welcome back into the shed, into the barn, into the garage. I'm getting their buckets ready. I have them here. Let me see if I can show you guys. Their buckets are right there. And I got something in the mail today, which hopefully is gonna make my life a lot easier. This is soybean oil, and it comes in a 4.5 gallon container. These are kind of like the same things that you guys use for you know, doing your deep fried turkeys and stuff like that. But this is soybean oil instead of like peanut oil like you would use for your turkeys. And I give this to the horses. It's got more omega 3s versus omega 6s, so it's really, really good for the horses. But it's heavy, and with this I can't lift it. It's dangerous because I could rip the tendon. So husband isn't always here to do the chores for me. So how am I supposed to get this stuff from here poured in like that? I mean, it's no. So I bought, where'd it go? One second. Found it. Found it. Add it in with the chicken stuff. So anyway, here it is. I bought one of these. It's a fluid pump. So it's called a slippery Pete slippery Pete fluid pump. No pun intended. So I bought this hoping that I can attach it to the cover, and that way all I have to do is put the thing in, and then I can squirt it into each of the buckets, and I won't have to worry about making a mess all over the container. As you can see, it just makes a mess, and it doesn't make a mess all over my container. So I figure that's gonna be my next little project to do, and why don't you guys stick around. Of course I'll fast forward through it because I have a feeling this is gonna take a while. Oh wait, I have glue too. Where's my glue? My glue. I'm losing everything. My glue. Lost my glue. I'll have to find my glue another time. Oh well. Alright. Let's get to work. See, look. There it goes. This is, well, it might go all the way down. Certainly won't go all the way down, but it'll, wait, you guys can't see that. I don't think that'll go all the way down. I'll have to see. Let's see if I have any hose like this. So it'll go in here. Like so. You know. Alright. Gorilla Glue Construction Adhesive. This is my best friend. We're all glued, all nice and neat. So I'm going to bring this inside, let this sit, and we'll go from there. Yeah. I need more hands. I can't do this. Where there's a will, there's a way. All right. All right, I'll be right back again. Well, let's do the other project now. Now that we're gonna wait for that one. I hate to walk out here because it's like a baby grass. We planted a bunch of rye out here to try to make it a little better for the wintertime. And I need 2 hands. Tried it all. I hate not having 2 hands. Alrighty, welcome to the other hay barn, where we still have plenty of hay, which is really nice. Oh, it smells so nice in here. I'm gonna put you guys down over here. Well, you guys are gonna be crooked. So, I brought my backpack, and we gotta do some shopping in here because I need some supplies to fix the fence. Alright, so, gosh, my fingers are so cold, and I have gloves. It's out there on the ground. So, because from what you guys saw this morning, I gotta fix the fence. These are all my extra little pieces, and brought a backpack to carry all my stuff. I have let's see, hammer, and I have, you'll have to take my word for it, I have a bucket of nails in there too. A couple of these. Now these go to the tree. These are tape attachments. They get nailed to the trees. I have a couple of them down there, which is a little different. It's more flat versus just the little tiny one. See? Oh, can't hold anything. There you go. Those are 2 different kinds. I prefer this kind because it's got a bigger bite on it, like right here, as you can see, versus this one is just, it gets threaded through this little bit here. But I'm gonna bring them both down anyway. I can't feel my fingers. These ones are for wire. These are the ones for wire. You just take your little wire and you kind of thread it over and then under. And I don't need any of that because the part that's broken is tape. On the fence, these are those. These ones attach to the T-post, and they're like the other ones, but they're flat. You know, they don't have any grippy on it. So you kind of got to shove it down in this bottom part. It's a dual purpose one where you could put your rope through the bottom and your tape through the top, but it doesn't have any like grip on the inside, so it's not really great for tension, you know, getting it nice and tight, but it's really good for like corners. So if you have to go around a corner and pull it really tight, I like these. So I'm gonna bring one of these down anyway, just in case. I might need that. Oh, look at this. Oh, I knew I had another hay bag. All right, that's gonna go in there too. Right there. Over there. I'm gonna be in that bucket. Actually, I'll put you guys over here on the shelf. Haha! I know you won't fall there. All right, so these are my T-squares and my those. I got so tired of these things breaking. These little tabs on these things, they break when they get cold, when they get old. I bought a whole box. I bought the whole box. So, extra little rolls of tape. Now I'm gonna bring a couple of these down because I might have to recut and rethread and put them all in together. So maybe that one. That doesn't look too bad. That one looks better. This one. Ah! And that's why I usually have my doorstop. Can't feel my fingers, but all right, now I got all my supplies. I got everything I need. All right, guys, I'm not leaving you in here. You're gonna have to come with me. All right, let's see if I can get this in one hand here. This is such a pain. Such a pain in the butt. Can't feel my fingers on this finger. Can't feel my fingers on this hand. I don't have my thumb on my other hand. I'm gonna have to wait until I can feel my fingers to do the rest of this project. Because I can't feel anything. Ah, there we go, success. All right. All right, let's go down into the woods. Let's go, well, I'll do what I can. Well, my fingers aren't blue or purple anymore, so let's go back outside. Let's go back to work. Let's try this again. Now that it takes about 15 or 20 minutes for my fingers to get back to normal again. Longer if I just let it sit, but usually all I need is just a little bit of cool water, and I run my hands over through the cool water. Can't be hot because then it's like burning. It feels like, oh my god, it's like the way that this makes you feel better, like as your as the blood is coming back into your fingers. You know, like when you're really cold in the house, like first thing in the morning, and you get in a nice hot shower and it feels really hot, but it's really not. Hi, Jarvis. Hi. Hello. How are you doing today? Hi, buddy. I love you. You're so handsome and so big. Hi. What you doing? You listening? Huh? Let's go see Darcy. Hi, Darcy. Hi, handsome. How you doing today? Hi. What's going on? What's going on? Do you want to go to... Oh, thank you. Who knows? Oh, I have a backpack. He saw my backpack and freaked out. Oh, I love it. All right, husband is down there. He hasn't harrowed yet, which I was actually surprised. So now he's gonna have to harrow tomorrow because this stuff is gonna be frozen. It's supposed to be like in the 18s tonight. Well, the 20s, but the real feel is supposed to be 18. So the fence is off, and the wind has died down just a little bit. What are you guys doing? What are you two doing, you crazy horses? Hi. So goofy. I don't know what he's doing. He's just being silly. Alrighty, let's see what we gotta do here. Oh look, he's mowed all the way through here. Made it nice and neat. Got all the stuff all ready. Alright, well, let's get to work. I found the culprit. Alright. Well, I was like looking at it and I'm like, why is this one on the ground? And I couldn't figure out why. And it got pulled out. See over there? See that little yellow thing? It was attached to that tree right there. So that's what happened. We had a storm not too long ago. It was really windy. And look, it started to break. So what happened is it pulled this, which undid everything else over there, which is easy to fix because these little clips are amazing. They just pop off, and I'll just attach it to yeah, different. I'm happy. Where can I put you guys? I'm gonna put you over here in a tree so you can watch me work. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe up here. There you go. Maybe up here. You guys stay there and you won't blow over. Can't guarantee you're gonna not blow over. Hi guys. You guys fell. You all right? You okay? Okay. Wait, you have like stuff in your... Dear Lord. Can't take you guys anywhere. Alright, let's try that again. Oh, yeah. Guys, you guys are terrible tree climbers, I'm telling you. Yeah, let me brush you off again. There. Come on. There, now you're better. Alright, stay out of the trees. Let's put you guys over here. Stay. Don't fall out of the tree. Don't fall. all done. Yay, it's all back to normal. All right, so what I did is I tightened all up everything down here, and like I said, I'm gonna have to put another T-post in. I tightened it up there, and I tightened up this bottom one as much as I could, and these are free spinning, unfortunately, so I had to tie it there, and then I looped it around a couple times up there. So now we got husband harrowing. And yes, that is a pallet, and the boys are hiding in they're hiding in the barn where they should be. But yeah, that's our pallet, and we always call it Mr. Pallet the horse dookie eater. But we got it all done, and my fingers are normal. Yay, they didn't get so cold because I had the gloves. So now the wind is picking back up, and I'm gonna put my gloves on. I'm gonna go up and feed the horses, and I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna have some soup. I'm gonna rewrap my thumb because it's freezing and it's in horrible pain, and I'm gonna watch him play in the yard. So I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Thanks for keeping up with me. Don't fall out of any more trees, and I'll see you later. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell, and I will see you guys next time on Summerfield Farm and that guy, draft horses. Bye guys.